Hey guys, what's up? And today we're at a farm. We got a little cabin. It's really nice. I like it. And we got this big view, like over here. It's very nice. I really like it.
Okay. All right, guys, we're here in Waynesville, North Carolina. We are doing something for the first time ever. We are actually here. We're staying in a
Cabin?
Yeah, in a cabin, I guess you would say, but it's actually like a loft apartment. And we're at Winchester Alpaca Farm. So tomorrow we're gonna have a tour. They have lots of animals.
They have sheepdogs.
They have sheepdogs. They have sheep. They have donkeys. They have miniature horses. All their animals here, well, most of their animals here are miniatures. And we're gonna get to meet some pigs tomorrow, some baby pigs, and the alpaca.
Here's all the alpacas. There's some adults over here in the little barn. They're so cute. Everybody got sheared a week or two ago, so they're looking pretty little. You can see the sheepdog in the middle there. That's where he stays to protect them. I cannot wait for this tour. Here's a little bunny.
Good morning, everybody. We got lots of animals out today. We got the little miniature horses and the donkey, and you see just past them, there's a ton of alpaca out there. We're gonna be touring the farm today. Right here is the cow right through there. But got lots of sheepdog. Got the sheep up there on the hill. We got some goats out on the other side playing. We'll go check them out here in a bit.
Good morning, guys. I'm outside near the fence. We're looking at the animals. There's a cow right near the fence there with some ponies. And this is fun. I had a great night's sleep, except for snack packs rolling around in the bed. And yeah, this is fun.
All right, guys, we're about to start our tour. Looks like people are finishing up theirs. Let's go here and check out these animals. We got Oreo cow here, 2 donkeys, another cow, dreadlock man.
One that is not so normal looking is Norman, and this one that looks more like a traditional donkey is another bonded pair that is a little more atypical. So these are our valet sheep. They come from Scotland. I like the alpacas.
Aren't they pretty?
They're beautiful. These guys do that too. Yeah. So this pasture hasn't been cleaned yet today, so
They seem so nice.
these guys? Yeah, but these guys, if you, I don't know when this field has. It's fairly new. We just put this up probably about 2 months ago or so. This little guy that's right up against the fence, this is Oreo. These guys are very, very social animals. They love attention. Feel free to pet them. Sully. They are African pygmy goats, so they're very small. They're the kind that like to run and jump off each other. They're not beard right there. That is Gary. He's Oreo's
Hi, Gary.
buddy. They have a tendency to hang out a lot.
Come here,
That
Gary.
little brown and black one right there, that is Rookie. He is about 3 or 4 months old. They do the same thing. They protect the chickens and they let them know when there's danger present. And that's what that signal is. They're just saying, hey, there's some people here that we don't know. Just keep an eye out, chickens. But the chicken.
Hello.
So how often do they have to be bottle fed? Whenever they're really little, it was every
So
46 hours or so. It was, I mean, it was a fairly frequent.
hello.
This is where they kind of come up to you, but again, they're not going to hurt you or anything. I don't know if anyone is going to let me pick them up right now, but once we get to the feeding area, they're going to circle again. And if you want to pet one, I can try and catch one.
Cute chicks live here.
A lot of different kinds of chickens. Let me pick
Hi, moms.
These guys are going to be having babies here in the next month or so. She's going to have babies soon? Yes, very soon. Oh. They get about as big as what?
Hi, Albert Feinstein.
They wag their tails like dogs.
Hi. Hi, Albert. Hi, Albert. You're so cute.
I know, he's all spotted.
Hi, Albert.
Go.
He is, yes, he's very, very fluffy. He looks significantly larger when his coat is grown.
Hi, ladies. They're about to have babies. That's why they're in here by themselves.
Just sprinkle
Hi, Teddy.
the feed into the gravel because they'll pick through it a little bit there. Just be careful if you hold it out.
Hi, guys.
I would love to pet you if you come close.
Hi, little babies.
No, baby. Yeah, can we pet him?
Yeah, I guess the scoop is better. Huh?
Oh my god. He's so soft. Oh my gosh. That is so soft. Okay. He's so soft. His body's so soft. No. You're a baby. Baby's big. Hi.
Oh, you're
Oh, we got a guinea over here. You see, there's a robin right over there. It has a worm in its mouth.
Does he like it?
Loki? He does. Hello, Loki.
I wonder who the white one is.
That's the queen, isn't it?
His middle name is Uptown. Golden Park Cloud.
Come on.
Oh wait, which one was the queen? I forgot.
Aw.
Oh, got him.
Oh.
Sweetheart. He's one of the
Get in there,
animals
Cal.
where I'm in this posture that I don't feel like I have to watch my back whenever I'm like doing stuff. Because Baby Bug, she's heavy.
Give you my phone, and I get to pet you.
Oh.
Okay.
You owe me your phone.
Phone.
So guys, tell me, how do you like it here?
I love it.
You love it? What's your favorite?
The alpacas.
Alpacas?
Schweinstein.
What's your favorite one? Albert Weinstein?
Yeah.
Yeah, he was the cute little pig here.
And the alpacas.
What about Teddy?
Yeah, Teddy is my second.
Teddy for president.
Teddy is my second favorite. The pig is my first.
And if you look right here, hi there. Good morning. Well, hey. Just having their morning snack. Here they are. You see over there at the barn, there's people on the tour that we did yesterday. It is like a 2 or 3 minute walk from this house to the actual farm to get in. There's a gift shop there. It's a great place, guys. Yeah.